Hi, I'm Matthew, Product Line Manager for Accessories at MAPEI Canada. I'd like to introduce the MapeLevel TLS Edge Leveling System. This product is designed to provide a professional solution that delivers a perfectly level installation every time, even with large format tiles. The clips ensure proper spacing, and the wedges apply uniform pressure to level the tiles, and the system is easy to use, enabling faster, more accurate, and defect-free tile installations. To meet the different grout joint widths required by professionals, we offer 6 clip sizes, ranging from 1 to 5 millimeters. Fewer corrections, less stress, and an installation worthy of true professionals. What sets the MapeLevel TLS system apart from similar tools is MAPEI's strength in research and development. We tested dozens of formulations before finding the ideal homopolymer polypropylene blend, the best on the market for our clips, enhanced with specific additives to improve key properties such as strength and elasticity. The breakpoint of each clip has been carefully engineered to snap off easily every time, while still providing exceptional lateral strength for optimal tile retention. This innovation is backed by the internationally recognized quality and reliability of MAPEI, along with technical support to assist contractors, professional tile installers, and experienced DIYers alike. Because your project deserves a system that helps you achieve perfection.